Good morning, Iloilo. So right now I'm here at Coastal Road. This is actually going to the way to Balapago-Haro, and when you go further, going to Liganes and Dumangas. So right now I'm here on a new building that is being constructed. Actually, this has been here for I think almost 2 years already, because I always pass by on this area. So as you can see, it's a new building, and it is actually it has a transmitter on the top. As you can see here, we're gonna show you right there. So this is actually a ABS-CBN building new site right here, because they have an old building in Luna area, which is in La Paz. I think they are getting more crowded, so they built a new one, but sadly their franchise haven't been renewed yet, but still the construction is ongoing. So let me show you the part where the logo is, so that you will know that it is actually an ABS-CBN Iloilo building. So let me just try to focus the camera on the logo itself. So let me zoom. As you can see there is the ABS-CBN logo. So this is just a quick update on the building of ABS-CBN Iloilo right here on Coastal Road. On this side, this is actually going to La Paz area, because this is the Coastal Road. So that's it, just letting you guys update on the ABS-CBN Iloilo building here. So I think if their franchise had been renewed, well, most probably they have finished this building or transferred already to this new site here in Coastal Road. I think this is still part of La Paz area, so let me verify that. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.